Hey mamas, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be taking you with me as I clean my house. This is a much needed thing. I really need to clean up and I'm going to try to do as many rooms as possible. Let's start with the kitchen. In the kitchen, I'm gonna go ahead and do the dishes, wipe down the counters, clean out the fridge, and go through some of our pots and pans and just do a little bit of decluttering. Is take everything out of my fridge and give it a nice wipe down. It is super grimy. We keep tons of veggies in there and things just kind of get a little nasty. So I think it's really important to clean your fridge. I try to do it like once a month, but it's been a minute. So I'm gonna go ahead, take everything out and wipe it down. I'm gonna go ahead and use this spray bottle. I typically use just a white vinegar and water diluted mixture, but this one is actually a dilution of the Melaleuca, like all surface cleaner. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this spray bottle and just a microfiber towel to wipe it all down, disinfect. It's really helpful to clean out your fridge as kind of a consistent routine so that you know what's in your fridge and also just to be less wasteful. You can get rid of anything that's expired that you know you're not going to eat. But before that, you can just take a look at, okay, what do we have? What are we not really eating and need to stop buying? And what do we have that's about to go bad that I need to put in the front so that we can use it up quick so that it doesn't go to waste? You know, I think that cleaning up the fridge can start to be one of those things that feels really daunting when you put it off for too long. So if you do it consistently once a month, maybe once every other month, the fridge becomes less and less of just this like gunky, nasty, intimidating mess, and it just becomes a little bit simpler. And it also just helps me to keep my mind around what we actually have in our fridge so that we're not holding on to things that are taking up space that we're not ever going to use, like some of those old expired condiments or sauces or veggies that go bad that just end up at the bottom of the drawer that nobody wants to talk about, nobody wants to see. Just get rid of it. Then it'll make it a lot less intimidating next time you do it. So I highly recommend it. Clean out your fridge consistently. It will make your life a lot easier and a lot less intimidating next time you have to do it. The next thing that I'm going to do is go ahead and wipe down Saoirse's high chair. This thing gets so grimy and disgusting. So I am just going to clean this down with a safe cleaner and get it nice and clean. I don't know about you guys, but I feel like I clean my kitchen counters more than anything else in my house. I probably wipe them down like 4 or 5 times a day, if not more than that, because we have a 9-month-old baby and she eats on her high chair on the counter with us standing there, and she likes to throw her food everywhere. So I feel like I'm constantly wiping them down because it's such a pet peeve of mine. My counters are dirty. I hate it. The next thing that I'm gonna do is go ahead and go through my pots and pans. There's a couple of stainless steel pots and pans that just don't go with our set, that I don't need and don't use. Vacuum. I have the Dyson V8 Animal, I think it's called. My grandma got it for me this year and I absolutely love it. It's cordless. There's no cord, people. It's amazing and it's super light. You can do it with one hand. I really enjoy this. You do have to dump it pretty frequently, but it works awesome. This video is not sponsored. I just genuinely enjoy this vacuum. Is the living room. This is where we spend most of our time. It gets really dirty really easily, and I just want to go ahead and declutter some of Saoirse's toys. I want to wipe down the wooden blinds that we bought with the house. The owners just left them a little bit grimy and I just haven't had a chance to clean them yet, so I'm going to go ahead and do that, as well as just vacuum out here and kind of tidy up. The next thing that I'm going to go ahead and tackle is Saoirse's room. I need to put some of her clean clothes away, I need to vacuum in here, and I need to change her bed sheets. Go ahead and make our bed. I just bought these brand new sheets from Costco that are really cute and they totally match our duvet cover. I'm going to go ahead and change the sheets. Then I'm going to hang up some of my clothes that are clean out of the laundry, tidy up our bathroom, and call it good. Let's go. We did it. Before I tackle hanging up my clothes and tidying up the bathroom, I wanted to just say thank you so much for watching my videos. I really appreciate it. I love every single one of you and I'm so thankful for you. If you're new to my channel and you enjoy content about motherhood, about Christian motherhood, around my ministry and marriage, make sure to subscribe to my channel. It really supports my channel. It helps other people to see that these videos are being created and put out there. So please be sure to subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and give this video a big thumbs up while you're at it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed my clean with me video, kind of see a little bit of how I tidy up my house, use my Dyson V8, I really love that thing, and just try to keep my house tidy. I think it's really important that we don't over stress ourselves out with keeping a perfectly pristine home all the time. But I do think it's important that our place feels like a place of refuge for both ourselves and our children and our husbands and all who enter it. And I think a very big part of that is having a clean home. So I hope this gave you a little bit of inspiration for your own home and your own time, that it's not too intimidating. Cleaning does not have to be this like super stressful, anxious thing that we just have to get done all the time. I think that by just implementing some daily habits and routines of tidying up and cleaning, it's totally possible to keep your home tidy and clean without feeling overwhelmed. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like motherhood content, make sure to hit the subscribe button and hit the thumbs up. It really supports my channel. I will see you next Thursday. Bye!